On the profit and loss year-to-date detail report, there's a section called payroll and subcontracted labor. This expense account represents payments to individuals. Only payments for services should be included here. So let's pretend this first check to Joe Smith for $550 was actually for goods purchased and not for a service. We open up the Add Edit sheet, click on Edit a Transaction, and put in the information directly from the reports. Let's pretend that in this case we were purchasing office supplies. So that's the account we want this expense to go to, and then additional details, type in various supplies. So now that check to Joe Smith represents a purchase of office supplies and not a service. Now let's go back to the financials and pretend that one of these other checks is a reimbursement for expenses. So this check here to Robert Goldstein, we're going to go back to our edited transaction sheet. We're going to put in the transaction information from the report. And then below that, we're going to put what we want changed. So we can't just call this an expense reimbursement. We actually need the detail. So you want to list out which expenses you reimbursed that person for. So let's pretend that $250 of it was for auto expense reimbursement. You'll see below the message saying that there is still a difference between this number and this number, so we need to make sure to put in enough splits here to equal this, because really we're just breaking this one check out into different line items. So we can even type a memo here if we want. Reimbursement. And then let's say that 400 of it is for postage. We still have a difference of $100 here. Let's say the remaining $100 was meals and entertainment. We can see that the message below confirms that the $750 here matches the splits here. And then again, we can put reimbursement here. So that's it.